Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gmail notifications on desktop. It's really simple and easy. We are going to start by heading over to internet browser and make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Then you can see this gear icon in the top right corner. Just simply click on it and click on this see all settings. Then scroll down all the way down until you see desktop notifications, and in order to turn on desktop notifications we have two options here. You can either select new mail notification on like so, and then go and select the sound effect that you want to use when receiving notifications. Now the second option is you can click on important mail notifications on, and this will only notify you when you receive important mail messages. So basically that will mean when you mark a certain email or contact as important, then you will only receive notifications for that particular thread or for that particular person. But if you just want to go ahead and enable all notifications, keep it on new mail notification on. So once you enable notifications from here, you will then need to click on this icon next to the URL and select settings. Then underneath notifications, make sure it also turned on from here, and then just close out this window and then scroll all the way down at the bottom and select save changes, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to enable Gmail notifications on desktop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.